Looking for a USB-C cable that keeps your car clutter-free while delivering fast, reliable charging? The LISEN Coiled USB-C cable offers 60W power delivery, charging your iPhone 17 Pro Max from 20% to 80% in just 30 minutes. Whether you're using CarPlay or Android Auto, it ensures stable, safe charging without interruptions during your drive. What sets this cable apart is its unique coiled design. Unlike regular straight cables that tangle or get caught on your gearshift, the LISEN cable retracts to a neat 1-foot length when not in use. This means no more messy cables cluttering your center console or dangling dangerously near pedals, keeping your driving space clean and safe. Need more length? The cable stretches up to 3.5 feet when you do, offering the perfect reach for dash-mounted phones or center console setups. Its flexible stretch is ideal for hands-free calls, navigation, or scanning QR codes while driving. Plus, it's just as handy at your desk or on the go, making it a versatile everyday charger. Durability is a key benefit here. Made from high-grade, eco-friendly silicone with a thick, armored build, this cable withstands extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 392 degrees Fahrenheit without cracking or brittleness. Its waterproof surface repels dirt and spills, and the reinforced metal hubs protect against wear and tear, perfect for busy family vehicles or ride-share drivers. The LISEN cable also boasts a rock-solid connection thanks to triple reinforcement inside the connectors. This means your CarPlay or Android Auto connection stays strong even on bumpy roads, avoiding frustrating disconnections. With 480 megabits per second data transfer speed, your maps and media load quickly and smoothly every time. Compatibility is another highlight. This USB-C to USB-C cable works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including all recent iPhone models, Samsung Galaxy S and Note series, Google Pixel phones, iPads, gaming consoles like the Switch and Steam Deck, and power banks. It's the only cable you'll need for fast charging and reliable data transfer. Trusted by millions since 2013, LISEN has earned a reputation for quality and innovation with over 500 utility patents worldwide. Their 24/7 customer support ensures you're covered whenever you need help. You get 2 cables in this pack, one for your car, one for home, making it a practical gift or a personal upgrade. If you want a fast, durable, and tangle-free USB-C cable that fits perfectly into your daily routine, the LISEN Coiled USB-C cable is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience and enjoy a cleaner, safer ride every time.